Stay blessed and healthy.
Thank you.
So I will catch your mother because they have something else also aside from this one. So we will have a look. I didn't know, but so mashallah, that's good area. I like it. It's very open. This also belongs to you.
My mother.
Ah, mashallah. Okay,
My mother and
I see. So just I will introduce to my this sister. What's your good name?
Melinda.
Melinda. Melinda, she is very good woman and Maganda woman. She is here. So she is actually the mother of Adjon, right?
Yes.
Ah, mashallah. Nice to meet you. And she was actually working in Saudi Arabia. Ah, mashallah, very nice. So she has very beautiful here duck farming. Wow, that's nice. So huge. I like it. So how many ducks, madam, do you have? Approximately.
300 heads.
Ah, mashallah, that's good. And what is that, turkey, right?
Yeah.
How many turkeys do you have?
Maybe
30 something. I am very fond of turkey, so I will, how much I will negotiate with you. You have gooses. I have around 12 gooses.
Oh.
Yeah, same like this one. Yes, yeah. I shifted them actually. So I was scared about that one that they were having the eggs. So if I will try replace them, so they will be accepted. My friend, I am the one with madam. Okay. Yeah, sorry for the interruption.
I see very.
That's nice.
You know this one? You have also that?
Yes, I have small. This one, this is also ducks, right?
Yeah.
But you have another name for this one, or called the same ducks?
We call it itik.
Etik, yes, etik, yes. But just I have one question. How much the kilogram they will get the weight after 4 months? They will go 3 kilo, 2 kilo?
No.
They will not.
Best kilo.
Yes.
To make them lay.
Yes.
1.2.
1.2, right? Yeah. But if you want, you have the attention to get the meat from them. So how much they will grow more? Like more than 2 kilo or no? Not like the other ducks, right?
No, they can.
They can grow also.
They can grow.
Right. Okay.
More than one.
So yeah, I am excited to show you because she has mashallah very nice this one. I like the amazing this your pond which they are into and I love it. So you had given them very natural environment to live for them. So really I love it. Yeah, it's nice. I can just go there. So it's very nice. So how many, madam, this one you have heads? Sorry?
525.
525. Mashallah, you have exact number of calculations. That's good. Sounds good. So that's amazing. They have a pond over here and enjoying it. Here I am actually right now, so I am very happy and thankful to madam that she has given me this opportunity to put in my blog and to have such kind of beautiful area where are these ducks, and it's very nice, surrounded by full of greens and beautiful trees. All is very nice and I'm so much happy. So that's very nice. How many?
10 trays. So
I see.
that is 10 times 300.
300. Wow, mashallah. And what you are feeding them? You have natural feed or
This one, the nails.
snails you are giving them. So how from where you are buying this one? Local market?
No, I am buying it with the kids here. They're just.
They are collecting and
Yeah.
then you are paying them.
Yeah.
I see. That's good. Good idea.
Then we just add the kids.
Some feed, some duck layers. Yes, the duck layers is there. That's really nice. So you are also after eggs. What you are going to do? You will hatch them or some of them hatch and some you will sell them.
And then we are also making we call it itlog maalat. You know,
This is a half baby inside, right? What you, in the egg?
that is balut.
Balut,
We
yes.
call it balut. You know see it in the market, the pig eggs.
Yes.
We call it itlog
Salted,
maalat.
like salted
Yeah,
eggs. Yeah, salted eggs. Okay, yes,
We call it
okay.
Itlog maalat.
Can come again?
Itlog maalat.
Igloo?
Itlog
Itlog. Itlog.
egg.
Egg. Okay.
maalat. That's
Malat,
why.
okay. That's good. I see. Yeah, I see. So that's you are selling to the some other supplier or you are selling by yourself? In the stores only. So you have your own eggs in your store, right? That's nice. That's very nice. That's beautiful. So you are mostly in this kind of ducks, and you have mashallah. This also you have so many. Had 300. You have said normal the standard ducks, and then how many gooses you have? The goose heads.
The goose is this one.
Yeah, I don't know what do you call this one?
35 maybe.
35.
We started only 9
Okay.
pieces.
So you are also selling them. If somebody is asking you to, they want to buy some for the breeding only. Do
Breeding only. I will ask my husband.
okay. I see. Maybe I wanted to go for turkey.
Ayun.
Yeah. Because turkey I don't have it till now. The rest I have it. So only the turkey. All right, Madam Melinda, right? So she is once again very nice woman, Maganda and Melinda. So together, so nice meeting you, Madam. Wish you all the best. Stay blessed. And inshallah, maybe a couple of days I will going to put this vlog so you can have a look. And your view will be really appreciated and highly appreciated from me. So that's it. All right, Madam. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. So here. This is unfortunate actually it's happened. I came to this gentleman for the add-on for upgrade of my machines and I had discovered them. They are mashallah huge into farming for ducks and so on. So I hope you guys will like and subscribe my channel. So wish you all the best. Stay blessed and healthy. Assalamu alaikum. Add-on. Thank you, man. Cheers. So I will update you maybe in